In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart using Excel. A Gantt chart is a simple way to visualize tasks across time so you can see what starts when, how long it lasts, and how everything lines up. We'll build it using a standard Excel chart so you don't need any add-ins. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and setting up a small table. Create 3 columns labeled Task, Start Date, and Duration. As an example, you might enter planning with a start date of 05/01/2026 and a duration of 5. Design starting 05/06/2026 for 4, and testing starting 5/10/2026 for 3. Make sure start date is formatted as a date, and duration is a plain number that represents days. This matters because the chart uses the start date to position each bar on the timeline and the duration to determine the length. Next, select your data. Click and drag to highlight the task names, the start dates, and the durations, including the headers. Keeping the headers selected helps Excel label the chart correctly. Now insert the chart. Go to the Insert tab, choose Bar Chart, and then select Stacked Bar. Excel will create a chart with 2 series, one for start date and one for duration. The idea is to use the start date series as a spacer that pushes each duration bar to the correct position on the time axis. Let's fix the task order so the first task appears at the top. Right-click the vertical axis that lists your tasks, choose Format Axis, and check Categories in reverse order. This aligns the chart with how we usually read project plans, top to bottom. Hide the start date bars so only the durations are visible. Click one of the start date bars to select that series, right-click, choose Format Data Series, and set Fill to No Fill. If you see outlines, set the border to no line as well. You'll be left with clean duration bars that resemble a true Gantt chart. Refine the timeline next. Right-click the horizontal axis and open Format Axis. Adjust the minimum and maximum dates to frame your project neatly, and set the date units to days or weeks depending on your scale. Choosing sensible bounds prevents wasted space and makes the chart easier to read. Finally, customize the look. Apply distinct colors to tasks, add subtle borders for definition, and adjust gap width to change bar thickness. Keep colors consistent and high contrast so the chart is clear when shared or printed. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.